Hello and welcome to Mike's Garage. If you've already subscribed to our YouTube channel, thank you very much. If you haven't, please do. And when you do, be sure and tap on the little notification bell so you'll be notified every time we put up a new video. Well, I think we're at the end of this particular series, which is getting Elsie running. And Elsie is running. This is our grand finale on Elsie here. Now, I'd like to thank people that have helped us along the way on doing this bike. This is for our dear friend, and I do mean dear friend, DTS Mike. Now, DTS Mike stands for down the street, which is where he used to live. Now, he's out of state, he and his family. With all the things he's had to do and take care of, he did not have one of his motorcycles running. Now he does. And everybody got involved in this thing. I mean, I don't know how many names I have left out, but to our very special brother, DTS Mike, from your friends. Okay, now here we have some friends to list. I'd like to thank Mary and Kenny from American V Twin in Beaumont. They helped us out on this project. The guys at Wright Brothers in Yucaipa, California. Rob and Nathan at Turner's Customs in Yucaipa, California. My buddy Rich from way up north sent us a generator, a 6-volt generator that actually worked. And one more guy, my friend Froggy, who donated this seat. And he donated it quite a while back for whoever might need it, and look how nicely it fit on DTS's bike. Froggy, thank you very much. And of course, cameraman Mike. He and I worked we put a lot of effort into this, and it all paid off. So that being said, let's look at what we did. I mean, we did everything electrical on it. We rewired everything. Mike went through that generator. That's cameraman Mike went through that generator. I rebuilt the distributor, circuit breaker, rebuilt the carburetor, had to add a brake light switch to it because it didn't have one. The brakes didn't work. We fixed the brakes. Mike also did up that horn, made a bracket for it. Oh, we mounted these tanks, which were not on it, and we had to do some mount fabricating and some grinding and some crazy stuff, but those tanks are now on there and fit rather well. We refitted the pipes. We changed the rear wheel and tire, serviced brakes on both ends of it. I think we went through the Kickstarter, remounted the transmission somewhat. I know cameraman here went through that tail light and made it all work. What else did we do? Oh yeah. We built a suicide clutch setup for it here. Let's see, we changed the coil. We refitted the manifold. You know, I think it goes on a little further than I realized, but we put a lot of time and energy into this without spending much money at all. Hardly anything was spent on it, so it's not like anybody owes anybody anything here. I'm really glad we were able to do this for Mike. Okay, that being said, I think what I'm going to do is start her off and take her for a little buzz around the neighborhood. Now, I don't think we have a current registration. Wait a minute, I didn't say that. I wasn't supposed to say that. Okay, I don't like to ride without gloves. Or my shades. Anyway, I already started it up, warmed it up, I'll be honest. And truth of the matter is, cameraman Mike will verify this. She started with a single kick. So we're gonna start her now, and she may start with a single kick, and if she doesn't, she'll require just one prime kick. We're still getting used to each other. All right, let's see, gas is on. Timing's retarded, ignition switch is on. she should start right up. Like that. Have to idle her down a bit. Hey, I'll see you out on the road.